Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo, Aikido of Reno. One of the things that we teach or we practice, because it's never perfect, but it's a practice, which means you have to practice it, is the ability to stay in control in any type of conflict, whether it's interpersonal or even maybe physical. If you lose control, there can be extreme consequences. There could be, less extreme, but it's always good to remember that. So part of one of our focuses is to really understand what control is and how to stay in control. Sometimes it would mean walking away from the situation. Love to see you down here for one of the classes. You're always welcome. Please check our website, peacedojo.com or aikidoreno.com, and we always have classes going on. Love to see you down here. Stay in control.